Welcome to Network Key. How to log in to 192.168.254.254. Follow these steps to log into 192.168.254.254. First, on your browser, type http://192.168.254.254, then press enter. A login window will appear. Second, type the default username and password to log in. Third, you will be successfully logged in to the router settings page. For more router brands, check default router username and passwords. The login credentials are located at the back of your modem. How to change Wi-Fi password and name, SSID? First, on your browser, type http://192.168.254.254, then press enter. A login window will appear. Second, enter the default username and password to log in. Third, locate to Advanced/Setup tab Wi-Fi Security Settings. Fourth, enter Wi-Fi name, SSID, select Security Mode, WPA/WPA2PSK, and Wi-Fi password. Fifth, click Save to apply the changes. How to find the default IP address of the router? First, for Windows, open Command Prompt on your Windows PC or simply press Windows or and type CMD and hit Enter. Second, the Command Prompt window will open. Type IP protocol configuration and press Enter. Third, different addresses will show up. Look for the IP address next to default gateway. The IP address next to default gateway will be the default IP address of your router.